Hey boy, you need to do good. There's more publicity for our farm. Wait, who's that? Hey, so I wanted to ask you something. Oh yeah, what's up? So do you want to go out? See, here's the thing. You don't like me. It's because of that stupid champagne guy. I'm gonna go talk to him. No, wait. Stop it. Make sure he doesn't do anything dumb. I don't know. Probably just nothing. Thinking about it. Come on, Glenn, easy. What is that stupid Glenn doing? You messing with my girl? Oh, mess you up, son. Hey! My God, let's go. Hey! See, you're stupid owner. Is that stupid? What am I supposed to do here? No. What are you doing? Champagne. Champagne. No. That's how. It's okay. Oh. Get off me, Lee. Ow. So sore. Champagne. You okay? Yeah. Just a little sore. I'm so sorry about him. You know that guy? Yeah, he lives in my stable. My old stable. What do you mean old stable? Oh, I'm kind of being sold to the slaughterhouse today. Just for not doing a dressage comp? Yeah. Oh. Why are you coming to my stable? I mean, we only have 2 horses there. In fact, I don't even know where Tortillas is right now. Oh, well, I don't know. I mean, how would we let them know? Champagne, are you okay? Scooch. Okay, fine. Just go over here. Or I'll leave. That works too. Okay, never mind. Come on, we need to ask her and let them know that you want to live with us. I would love for you to live with us. Thanks. I'm glad that we're going out. Same. Oh boy, no. I know you don't want me to be the one taking care of you. But Rebecca's in the hospital. Thought Rebecca was your daughter. Wait, no. Casey? I don't know. I'm tired. Just I'll put on the electric sponge. Oh, feels so good. feels so good. And here's a little croissant. It's good. I wonder what that was for. Hopefully something good. Because I need my strength for tomorrow. I wonder what champagne is doing. Coming up right behind you. Yay, buddy. So, I had a question. Yeah, shoot. So, would you want Majesty living with us? I don't care. I guess it's fine with me. Okay, good. Because her her owners are selling her to the slaughterhouse, and I don't want her going there. Besides, she's my girlfriend anyways. Oh, girlfriend. Yeah. We like each other. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Hello? Oh, yeah, bye. Come on, you stupid horse. Quit calling me stupid. I'm not stupid. You're stupid. You're the stupid one. Jeez. Oh, why are you trying to talk at me? Listen, we're gonna go on a ride, and you better listen, or else I'm selling you to the slaughterhouse too. Two? Okay. Now go over there and get ready for your saddle. I hate her so much. She's such a brat. I'm over here now. Put my stupid saddle on. Nice. Relaxation. You don't have time for relaxation. You gotta ride. Fine. Got that stupid feeling. Thank you. Wait, why is she leaving? What? No, she's leaving already too. Oh, hey Rebecca. What's going on, sweetie? Stupid pony ran away. Oh, she did? How long has she been gone? Like 3 hours. Oh, have you looked for her? Yeah? No. You sure? Yep. Looked, everywhere. What else? Okay, so, fine, let's go look for her together. I'll go get champagne, and you can ride him with me. Or you can ride him by yourself. No, I'll ride him by myself. I have a feeling good things will happen. Okay. Champagne! Oh, what do they want now? You rang. Such a big boy, Champagne. Okay, honey. Come on. You don't want to act up. Come on. No, I'll let you do it. Oh my god, you're such a brat. Champagne, you know what to do. Oh, smell. Oh, wait. Looks like I gotta get this done by myself. Dang it, stupid. Ow! This could take a while. You know what? Why don't we just ride you bareback? What? No, I am not letting that little girl ride me bareback. Bareback. Okay. Works for me. Why are you letting Majesty just stand right there? She's so stupid. Hello? Yeah? Fine, just get on your horse. Oh, he is my horse, isn't he? No, it's an expression. He will be my horse. What do you mean by that? I ain't gonna be your horse. I hate you, little brat. Spoiled brat. Oh, he's nickering at me. You know what that means, Mommy? She's in love with me. Please. I could care less what happens to you. Even if you fell down a well. There. Okay, boy. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Get back here, boy. I'm not done with you. Oh. Oh. That hurt. Come back. Looks like I'm all alone now. As per usual. I need a nap. I need a nap. Stupid humans. So sore. Oh no, not you again. What do you want? I will destroy you for what you did. What did I do? Took away my girlfriend. That's what you did. I didn't take away your girlfriend. Wait. You have a girlfriend?